Students, the next cycle, that is the biogeochemical cycle, is nitrogen cycle. Do you understand the carbon cycle and oxygen cycle? Yes. The nitrogen cycle is there. Students, can you recall the nitrogen fixation? We have learnt in the last and the previous standard nitrogen fixation. The conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrates is called as the nitrogen fixation. Which microbes bring about the nitrogen fixation? The rhizobium bacteria present in the leguminous plant do the process of nitrogen fixation. Friends, nitrogen is present in the atmosphere. Maximum portion, that is 78% nitrogen is present in the atmosphere. It is necessary for the maintenance of the cycle of nitrogen cycle. The circulation and recycling of nitrogen gas into the form of different compounds through various biotic and abiotic components in the nature is called as the nitrogen cycle. Students, नायट्रोजन सायकल म्हणजे वातावरणीय नायट्रोजनचं रूपांतर वातावरणीय नायट्रोजन आणि इतर मूलद्रव्यांबरोबर नायट्रोजनचे वेगवेगळे कंपाउंड्स तयार होतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल नायट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल, अमोनिया, अमोनियम, नायट्रोजन डायऑक्साइड, नायट्रोजन ट्रायऑक्साइड. Look at the diagram. The nitrogen into the different compounds. Nitrogen is converted into nitrates, ammonia, nitrites. See here. And this is called as the nitrogen cycle. Students, the maximum portion of nitrogen is present, and like that oxygen, nitrogen is not highly reactive. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण ऑक्सिजन सायकल मध्ये बघितलं की ऑक्सिजन इज हायली रिएक्टिव्ह अँड combines with the elements. All the organisms participate in nitrogen cycle and it is important component of our proteins and nucleic acid. As compared to the other elements, it is inactive and does not easily combine with the other elements. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ऑक्सिजन प्रमाणे नायट्रोजन हा इनॅक्टिव्ह आहे. आता आपण त्याचे उपयोग बघूया. नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. कॅन यू रिकॉल मध्येच आपण पहिला प्रश्न बघितला. व्हॉट इज नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशन? कन्वर्जन ऑफ नायट्रोजन, दॅट इज द ॲटमॉस्फिअरिक नायट्रोजन, conversion of nitrogen into the nitrates and nitrites to the atmospheric, that is called as the all. It may be happens in the industrial or biological processes. Nitrogen fixation is happens. Then ammonification, release of ammonia, that is NH4 through the decomposition of dead bodies. प्राणी मेल्यानंतर त्यांच्या शरीरातून जो अमोनिया रिलीज होतो NH3 त्यालाच अमोनिफिकेशन असं म्हणतात. रिलीज ऑफ अमोनिया थ्रू द डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ द डेड बॉडीज. मनुष्य किंवा प्राणी यांच्या मृत्यूनंतर त्यांच्या डेड बॉडी मधल्या केमिकल रिॲक्शन द्वारे बाहेर पडणारा हा वायू, तसंच आपल्या एक्सक्रेटरी सिस्टीम मधून म्हणजे आपल्या प्राण्यांच्या युरिन मधून सुद्धा अमोनिया नावाचा वायू बाहेर पडतो आणि त्याला अमोनिफिकेशन असं म्हणतात. Then nitrification, conversion of ammonia into the nitrate and nitrate is called as nitrification. Then denitrification, conversion of nitrogen compounds into the gaseous nitrogen is called as denitrification. These are the important processes of the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. Students, you have to write the diagrammatic representation of diagram number 7.8 in your notebook and write down the definition of nitrogen cycle and the uses.